Welcome to our channel, where we will show you how to transform your space with minimalist decor. Minimalism is all about simplicity, functionality, and creating a sense of calm and order. By adopting a minimalist approach to your home, you can create a space that feels open, peaceful, and free from clutter. Let's start by decluttering. Get rid of any unnecessary items and keep only what's essential. This will instantly make your space feel more spacious and organized. Now let's talk about furniture. Opt for clean lines and simple designs. Choose pieces that serve a purpose and make a statement. Keep in mind that less is more when it comes to furniture in a minimalist space. Next, focus on a neutral color palette. Whites, grays, and earth tones work beautifully in a minimalist home. They create a serene and timeless feel. Now let's move on to accessories. Less is more in minimalist decor, so choose a few key pieces that add visual interest. Focus on quality over quantity. When it comes to storage, think smart and stylish. Invest in sleek storage solutions that blend seamlessly with your decor. This will help you keep clutter out of sight and maintain a clean and organized space. Remember, lighting plays a crucial role in minimalist design. Let in plenty of natural light by using sheer curtains or blinds. And opt for modern, simple lighting fixtures to create an inviting ambience. Lastly, add some greenery. Plants bring life and freshness to any space. Choose low-maintenance plants like succulents or cacti that require minimal care. They will add a touch of nature without overwhelming the simplicity of your minimalist decor. By following these tips, you can transform any space into a minimalist haven. Embrace simplicity, functionality, and a clutter-free environment. Your home will become a place of tranquility and relaxation. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring ideas and design tips.